Hello, everybody. We're here at Bobby's Hobbies, and we've reassembled the Atlas HO RS-3 on a new chassis, because the old one, which you can see there, has what's the soldering on? It has zinc rot, and there's the shell, which I've glued into one piece because it I don't know what this won't go back on there. Now let's see. This should work. Oh yeah. See that? Beautiful. Now, it was funny, it had a giddy up in it, and the giddy up was a droplet of, believe it or not, cyano acrylic glue that got on one wheel. And I mean, they go giddy up, it was pretty awful. So it's all right. That's pretty damn good. All right. Thanks for watching.